welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a program to check whether a given number is positive or negative and whether the inputted year is a leap year or not in Qbasic. So without any delay, let's begin. And please subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I've opened a brand new Qbasic program right here. Now to begin the program, the first one, which is to check whether a number is negative or positive, we have to write CLS, then enter print double quote. Inside the double quote, you have to write input a number, then you have to close the double quote, then input A, then if A great A greater than 0, then print the number is positive, else print the number is negative. And if end. Now let's run and check whether the program is working or not. Put a number and see if it's working. First I will add 5, then I'll press the enter key. As you can see, it is saying the number is positive. And now we'll press any key to cancel this black screen. Now I will again run it. Now I will add -6. As you can see, it is saying the number is negative. So our first program is done. Now I will take a new one, and here I will first write CLS for the second program, which is to check whether a year is leap year or not. CLS, then print enter a year, then input A, then if A mod 4 equals to 0, then print the year is leap year, else print the year is not a leap year. And if end. Now let's run and check it. For the year, let's add 2025. As you can see, it is saying the year is not a leap year. and we will run it again. As you can see, we will add 2012 as year this time, and now you can see that it is showing the year is a leap year. So both our programs are done and they are working correctly. For more content like this, please like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.